Itel A70. Awesome A70. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be reviewing the phone Itel A70. Wow! Also to note, this is my first video on YouTube and I'm very excited. Now, all the videos you've been seeing are videos of just the display of the packaging of this pretty phone. Now, let's get to the unboxing. This is the moment of truth. Now, I've opened the box. Time for us to see how pretty looking the phone is. The Itel A70 phone actually comes in different colors for your preference. Colors like brilliant gold, stylish black, field green, and azure blue. But I got the field green because I felt it was more aesthetic. Now let's go into the contents of this phone package. It comes with the Type-C cable, also known as cord. It also comes with a pair of earphones, also known as earpiece. It typically comes with a 5-watt or 10-watt charger, depending on the variant, meaning it may take the phone around 2 to 3 hours to full charge. It also comes with a SIM ejector pin. Moving on to the camera. The phone features a dual-rear camera setup with a 13-megapixel primary sensor accompanied by a 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. The phone also features a rear LED flash located next to the camera module. The front houses an 8-megapixel camera suited for selfies and video calls. Inside of the phone, we have the headphone jack and the microphone, the Type-C ports, and the mono speaker grill. The top of the phone has no feature. At the right hand side of the phone, we have the fingerprint sensor, which is also the on and the off button, and the volume button. At the left hand side of the phone, we have where the SIM card slot or SIM tray is located. It is equipped with a triple card slot design, allowing users to simultaneously insert 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. The front microphone is located near the front camera at the top bezel of the phone. Okay, did I mention the phone comes with a silicone phone case that suits the phone perfectly well. It creates spaces for the mono speaker grill, the cameras, the headphone jack, the charging ports, and also the fingerprint sensor. The Itel A70 was released on November 2023 and runs on Android 13 Go edition. It runs on Unisoc T603 octa-core chipset. The phone is actually pretty fast. This is me just putting off and on the phone without a password or fingerprint. This phone comes with a 5000 mAh battery. You are getting a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 to 1612 pixels. The phone offers a variety of security options for you, like the screen lock,